Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Meizu M8 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's simply tap on theme and wallpaper. Here we have to enter the wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got some defaultly installed wallpapers from which we can choose. What's more, if you'd like to set your own photo as a wallpaper, just tap on select from the gallery and then you will be transferred there. But let me pick something from the defaultly installed ones, and all you have to do in order to check the preview is to simply tap on the one you would like to check, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the full screen. So all you have to do in order to apply it is to just tap on apply. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on it, and here you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it on the lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So as you can see, you can check how it will look like, and in order to confirm, just tap on OK. Here we've got the information that the wallpaper has been applied. So let's go back. Here we've got the home page. So as you can see, the wallpaper has been immediately activated and applied on it. So let's check the lock screen also, and as you can see it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Meizu M8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.